Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have traded bullish throughout this day. In fact, US30 has gone close to 33,000 levels, in fact 980 levels. At the same time, US100 too has gone to the next resistance zone at 14,300. Now, what to expect today with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis on major global markets and commodities. Also, you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. Now, look at the hourly charts on Tech 100. First thing is the crossover here is bearish. Now moving averages have started to converge. Second is it is traded bearish enough, and on the downside you can find out 14,180, very good support. It is trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel now lying at around 14,330, 14,300 and 14,180. 14,360 is the level beyond which you can consider that it has reversed and we can see a very good rise. Now what has happened here is, see the retracement, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, and this time it has achieved the higher highs here. This is most important to note. At the same time, if you look at the channel here, you will find it is trading in this bullish channel. The bottom of this channel, yes, if you see it trading below 14,240, you can sell, but then 14,220, 200, 180. Till 180, just put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Yes, you can sell here at 14,240, but just put a 20 points trailing stop loss till 14,180. And then 150, 140 levels will be seen. Below that, a good break can be expected. On the upside, 14,320, 330 is the level beyond which only further bullishness can be seen. And hence, in between 14,240 and 14,330, do not take any position for this 90 points. In fact, you can count it that till 14,350, one has to be cautious and watchful. Now, see the stochastic almost near to top. The MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence, and see this crossover is happening after a good drop, and hence it can continue with a little rise. RSI almost flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. See lower lows, a reversal sign, and then almost a double top here, and hence beyond 14,300 you can expect 330, 350 levels as the next resistance, and only if it stays above 14,350, further reversal and rise can be expected. Remember, it has dropped now below the 20 and 50 period moving average and almost trading in between 20 and 50 period average here. The stochastic has reversed. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. It is not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see higher lows, higher highs. It also indicates of 14,300, 330 zone as the greater resistance there. On the stochastic part, it is rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI almost flat at bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, you will find, see the prices diverge from the moving average here. Now it has converged, in fact traded below the 20 period moving average, but at the same time now moving average has started to flatten out. This is a bearish line, staying below 14,180 levels. You can expect 14,100 as the next milestone, which it may try to achieve in a very fast way. Else a possible rise above 14,320 is something which will bring the bullishness out there. See the stochastic is seen rising. MACD is bearish, it is trying to converge. RSI is almost flat. And if you look at the daily, now see on the daily chart, see lower highs, and this is the first candle, almost the support at 14,200, 180 is seen. Below this, it is going to give you very good drop, because see there is lot much of white space, blank space is available, which it needs to cover. And also if you look at the prices have diverged extremely from the 20 period moving average, which is right now at around 13,800 levels. Hence certainly below 14,180 one should stay short. The stochastic is dropping. MACD trying to converge. RSI overbought, which calls for further drop, and hence below 14,240 you can take a sell entry. However, till 180 you have to put a trailing stop loss of 20 points. Below 180 you can expect that 14,150 and 100 levels will be seen in a very speedy manner, and below 14,100 we can see a sharper drop. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed to Dow Jones, if you Want to learn this art of trading profitably? Should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals definitely you can benefit. Now, look at the hourly charts on US30. See, it has failed to break past the highs here. 33,020 is the level beyond which more bullishness may prevail. At the same time, if you see it trading below the zone at 32,870, you can sell 840, 830, 800. Till 800, very good support, and then 750, the next support levels. Below 750 is staying. If it stays below 750, you can expect it to crash heavily. Now see, this is the retracement channel breaking below which more bearishness will be seen there. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green trying to converge here. This is still bullish. RSI looking down. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, similar is the observation. We have seen a rise here, almost flat top or higher highs. Now it is looking forward to a retracement level below the zone at 14,870, 880. You can expect a probably sharper drop, taking it towards 32,800 and then 32,750, 700 levels. Stochastic near to highs. MACD is in green trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI almost at bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation. But on the 3-hour charts, couple of points to note. See, higher highs, lower lows, which means 32,850 levels are still going to be 32,850, 800 are very good support levels. Stochastic flat. MACD trying to converge crossover for a while. Buy. This is the second crossover. RSI flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now see one point here, you can find out higher lows, which means till 32,870, 880. We should not consider this as bearish. What it can do, it can try to attempt the bottom here and then reverse, and if it does, we can wait for 32,980, 33,000 as the maximum resistance zone, and then till 33,050 it has got a stronger resistance. Beyond that, we may see it flying high. Why? Because after consolidating here, first rise, lower highs, second drop, then the second rise may be seen here. So let's watch here. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is converging again. Look at this, the drop, the recovery, the drop. Now it is trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI almost flat. And on the daily charts, now on the daily charts, interestingly, the previous candle has a very small body compared to the complete shadow, which is indicative that the prices are not willing to stay lower, and it is getting the support. At the same time, the candle is right now trading green. Lower highs are done. If it stays below, we can expect in fact lower lows till 32,700 levels, extremely good support, and then below that we can expect 32,600 also. Hence staying short below 32,870, yes, possible, but then we have to be watchful. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is still bearish, but that is somewhere you should watch out for. This is a good bearish streak. Possibly this is a retracement. First rise, second retracement, and if it continues bullish from here, more bullishness can be seen. RSI flat at bottom. Considering this, sell at 870, buy at 980. 33,000 is something very good resistance. Till 33,050 it has got resistance at every 20 points. Just put a 20 points trading stop loss till 33,050. Beyond that, sky is the limit for 33,100 and 200. I will look forward to at least 33,200 levels. If it stays above 33,000 levels, it must try to hit this zone at least. On the downside, below 32,870, 880 you can sell, but then 32,830, 32,800 are two levels. Below that, 750 and 700 are two levels. Only below 700 further bearishness may prevail. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship and join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.